She misinterpreted. She's just a teenager. You know how girls are.
Ah, stop there. Let me remind you. The Section 11A of the Child Rights Act of Nigeria criminalizes every form of child abuse.
Ladies and gentlemen, rise as destiny enters the room. We await the commander of justice, clothed in robes as she descends on us. The dispenser of all justice.
Chinedu, no comment today. The case today is that of a sexual abuse of a minor, the state versus Benedicta Chukwuma. Let's proceed and let everyone in this room respect the gravity of this case. No intimidation, no victim blaming. We're here for truth and protection.
My lord, this is not a case of misunderstanding. It's a case of manipulation and abuse. Mr. Benedict here molested 12-year-old Mary Ann while tutoring her in her house. The abuse occurred for several months and was only uncovered when she confided in her secondary school counselor.
He told me this was our little secret, but it wasn't little. It's changed my life. I live in shame and pain.
Young lady, your voice is not just heard, it is honored.
My lord, with respect, there is no concrete evidence. The accused claims he merely gave her extra lessons and fatherly affection.
Is it now fatherly to touch a child where no child should be touched? This is not a lesson, this is violation.
She misinterpreted. She's just a teenager. You know how girls are.
Ah, stop there. Let me remind you. The Section 11A of the Child Rights Act of Nigeria criminalizes every form of child abuse. And this court will not allow you give the narrative that she asked for it or she gave consent. This is Nigeria, not a lawless land.
Yes, my lord. We trusted him. He was like a brother to me. If Mary did not speak up, we wouldn't have known.
The trauma is real. She has nightmares. She avoids school. We're even seeing psychologists. What happened here is predatory. Here is a history of chats from Mr. Benedict to her and a voice recording of threats he made to her to silence her. The consistent abuse that lasted for several months. My lord, if this court does not act today, other girls will suffer tomorrow. Abuse thrives in silence, but silence ends here.
This case is painful, but necessary. We must teach our children that your body is your body, and no adult, no uncle, no friend have the right to touch or manipulate you. And to every child out there, your voice is powerful. Speak, scream, whisper, tell somebody, because we are listening. My verdict. This court finds Mr. Benedict guilty. He is hereby sentenced to 10 years imprisonment with no option of fine. Furthermore, Mary Ann will receive long-term professional counseling. The school is to host a monthly section on body, autonomy, and safe boundaries. A registry of sexual offenders shall include the convicted, accessible by Child Protection Agency.
Gate is closed. May every child be safe and the family be broken.
He called it a secret, but secrets leave scars. She was 12, while he was trusted, so trusted. But Marianne, she roared with a whisper, said no more with trembling lips. Not everyone bleeds. Some hide in nightmares, but truth came crashing, with courtroom gavel and courage combined. Justice spoke. 10 years, a line drawn in legal ink, because no uncle has a right, because silence isn't safety. Because children are not shame containers. Mary understood, and now we stand with her.